Am I making $100? I'm left with this too. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just came in now. It's my break period. I came in early today, just to 5. I'm so tired, but I want to clean my room. My room is in a mess. I used my hair yesterday and I made this one. It looks so hard, but this is my first attempt making my hair, and at least I tried. So I slept late yesterday because I was trying to finish the hair and attachment, and my hair is just all over the place. Look at how my room is. Look at my hair everywhere. There, very scattered. It can't be scattered like that. That small chair is not supposed to be there at my bed. I did not even make it when I was leaving this morning. So I need to do that now before I can rest. My madam even saw me this morning. Okay, when we were eating lunch, she was like, Jennifer, did you sleep? Because you look so tired. And she told me that try and sleep, even if it's 1 hour, sleep because you look tired. But let me finish, then I'll sleep.
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for, but babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I really thought we might have been it, so my heart was shattered when it took the hit. Oh, I can't imagine doing all that again, even for one night, to see where it went. Here's the thing, you made your bed, I just got your stay out of my head. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. End of the road, nowhere to go. You cut the ties, you burn the rope. So don't let me see your name lighting on my phone when it was you who let go of everything we could have been. Is it sinking in all your regret? No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends.
So guys, I'm done. Let me show you guys how the room look like now compared to before. So this is my dryer. I'm going to put it at the back of this dresser. That is where I always keep it. This is my tripod. I did not bring any filming gadgets, so this is what I use for my tripod. I'm going to make a video and show you guys how I use it. I use this rubber band. There's rubber band here to hold my phone with the mopping stick. I saw this inspo on YouTube. Like I saw one lady using mopping stick to pull her phone. So when I saw it, I was like, okay, maybe this is what I will do. But I decided to use my dryer to hold it because I don't have anything that will make it stand. So I decided to use the dryer, and it has been working. All the videos that I have been posting, this is how I do it. Like this is what I used to make the video. So yeah. So there is a position for the dryer, and this stick I just put it under my bed until when I'm ready to film again. But anyway, this is how the room look like now. My dressing table is well organized. I just love the fact that I was able to clean my room. I like when I go out, then come in, my room is clean. So I like the way the room is right now. Since I'm done, I want to rest. The time is past 6 right now, so I still have time. I still have like 1 hour plus. My break time is 6 to 8. I don't know if I'm going to sleep. I have videos on my phone that I have not edited. I have to start editing that video because my phone is doing storage full. So I have to start editing the video so that will create space for other video that I'm going to film. So yeah, that is it. Good morning, guys. Welcome to my life again. I'm getting ready to go to work. Sorry if I'm not looking at the camera. I'm actually looking at my mirror. I'm wearing this on top of this because this is a see-through. It's very, very light, so that is why I have to wear inner before wearing this. So how are you guys doing? Good morning. Today is Sunday. Happy Sunday. Happy second Sunday of the month. Is it? Oh, first Sunday of the month. Happy first Sunday of the month. One of the reasons why I wanted to film this morning is just for me to wish you guys happy new month. Today is 5th of July. Welcome to the second quarter of the year. This year is almost going to an end. Before you close your eyes and open, we are already shouting Happy Christmas, or we are already in crossover night. So I took down my hair like that same day. You know, the last clip I told you guys that I made my hair. I took it down that day that I made that video because my people, they do not like the hair. They say I look somehow. So I'm trying to use this daily living conditioner to make it soft so that I can comb the hair because my hair is so strong. I'm using my shoelace to pack it so much. So this is it. We are good to go. So that is how my madam said she should ask hairdresser online how much they will make my hair. She even asked me to send a picture of me when I braided my hair. That is how she sent it to a hairdresser here to know how much they will make my hair for me. And guess what? They say it's $100. I don't understand why everybody in abroad is hairdresser by themselves. Why am I making hair $100? $100 in Nigeria is like 130 something thousand. Hair that I will just use. Yes, 20k, you will make your hair and just stand up like fine hair in Nigeria. They are saying $100. The other one if you say 150. No worry, now like this we'll go the pack the hair. My perfume is finished. I'm always forgetting to tell my madam to help me and get. So yeah, I'm here talking. I'm late. Let me go. So guys, welcome back. So we are going out to my boss family house and I'm getting ready for that. This is past 6 already. I'm supposed to go down by 7, and the problem now is that I don't know what to wear. I'm having difficulty in choosing outfit to wear. So I have 3 outfits in mind, which is one, this one, second, this, and third, this gown. This gown is very long. I don't know if you guys can see it, but these two is 2-piece. That's trouser and top. The problem with this gown is that it's very long though, and I don't have the strength to go down. Not even the strength, like I don't have the time to go down and start ironing it. So this one is out of the picture. I'm now left with these two for me to choose. I've not worn them before. Let me try this. If it's not okay, I'll just go with this. I think I picked the right outfit because, to be honest, this looks so good on me. So I don't really even know what to expect in this visit. I know I've seen most of them. I'll speak to most of their family members on phone, like they come here almost every time, but at the same time I don't still know what to expect. Hopefully if I get there, everything will not look too awkward. I'm set. I'm ready. Let me try and show you guys my full outfit. Let me climb on top of my bed. So look at my full outfit. I just like the fact that the trouser is very long. I have this brown pants here that my mother got for me. I'll just pair it with it. What do you guys think?
From the first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about you. I didn't want to waste no time. What's something I can do for you, darling, that would make you smile? I'll bring you flowers, girl. Enough to
So guys, we are back. Like, my eyes are so heavy. I just want to sleep, but we just got back not too long ago. Like, I just changed and say I should talk to you guys. It was really nice. The cheese with their own language that I cannot even understand. I was just looking at everybody like they did not give me any work to do. I just went there, sat down. They gave me internet. I was just pressing my phone and they were cooking. After we finished eating, I just washed the plate that we used to eat because there's no way I will leave everything like that. After everything waited a little, then my boss came. We left. Because when we were going, it was not my boss that carried us, it was my boss brother. So that is it. The time is currently 3 right now, to 3 a.m. So I just want to sleep. So I want to officially end this vlog here. Thank you for watching to this point, and please, if you have not liked this video and you have watched to this point, please like the video, share, leave a comment below in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell icon to be notified anytime I upload another video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.